Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Stack. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find games and play games on your Google TV. So you can see right here, I have everything listed. Now, if I go back to the home screen and I go to apps, there is no option for games under here. You can scroll through this entire thing and you won't find anything. So what you want to do is go up to the top. Now it says search for games and apps. You can search for them there, but let's just go over to search right here and type in Play Store. So let's do that, and then there will be an option. Otherwise, you can just say Play Store in here. That will work too. So let's just type it in real quick, Play Store. And then in the top right, there will be an option to switch from apps to games. So let's go to TORS. Okay, Play Store, just like this. Press search. Okay. Now you're going to see all the apps. What you want to do is go up to the top and switch over from apps to games. And here's the entire game library. So we can scroll through here and download something, maybe like Pac-Man. That's got a low rating. And then you can connect to your controller and you can start playing some of these games. And if you got a Google TV streamer, seems like that actually plays the games quite well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.